इंडिया मुझे खेलने नहीं देगी। आई एम अ ब्रिटिश सिटीजन बाबूजी।
ब्रिटिश चमचा क्यों नहीं कहता?
ये मेरी गलती है कि आप यहाँ आके सेटल हो गए। क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि मैं इंग्लैंड के लिए खेलता हूँ?
क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Nikhil Advani, who last made the debacle Chandni Chowk to China, is back with an emotional drama Patiala House. We give you the insight whether this film is worth a watch or not. Set in UK, Patiala House is a story about a suppressed, loser-like son Pargat, Urf Gattu, played by Akshay Kumar, who wanted to play cricket for England, but his father Gurtej Singh Kalon, that's Rishi Kapoor's earlier experience of racial attacks, become a hindrance. Gattu also gets ridiculed and hated by his cousins as they too face opposition from Rishi to do what they want but can't oppose as Gattu has already set an example of giving up on his dreams. However, out of some weird connection, Gattu meets the bubbly, full of life Simran, that's Anushka Sharma, who by taking help of Gattu's cousins tries to infuse some confidence in him to stand up and fight against his father and fulfill his dreams of playing for the country. How he manages to get enrolled in the team and whether his father finds out about it or not follows through the rest of the plot. PH comes with many reasons to watch it. First, after a long time it depicts Akshay in a serious drama, then the usual slapstick genre. It also brings the Bobby Jodi, that of Rishi Kapoor and Dimple Kapadia, back to celluloid after long. Moreover, the combination of cricket and drama always works for a film, and this has both. But Nikhil Advani fails to use any of this. The outdated storyline with excessive dramebazi gives glimpses of many films. So Rishi's character may remind you of Amitabh's in K3G, or the dramatic sports scenes of Chak De, Goal, or the father-son conflict in Amitabh Akshay starrer Vaqt, and many others. The story doesn't establish itself fully. For example, if Rishi is so against England, then why doesn't he move to India? Nikhil doesn't even establish Rishi as a tyrant properly. Moreover, there's an overkill of drama. None of the songs except Long the Lashkara manage to please. Akshay in his serious avatar is a pleasant change. Anushka Sharma breathes life into the dreaded story. Rishi Kapoor is brilliant, while Dimple Kapadia gets wasted. Overall, Patiala House may work for melodrama lovers. Watch it if you have the time, patience and mood for emotional atyachar. We at Rajshri.com give it 2.5 stars.
भूल गया था बाबूजी कि इस घर में सिर्फ आप ही जी सकते हैं।